start with pound yen. So we had a nice bullish push during Asian session. We've respected this minor support and Friday's low, and it's a nice strong push up. So we're continuing this bullish structure. Daily target for the day would be 199.60 for the buyers. If we so happen to flip bearish and then break Friday's low, I'm aiming for 100 pips down for the sells, 196. Let's keep it simple. Let's look for some 4-hour retest levels. Okay. Okay, sells, buys. First 4-hour resistance, 198.73. $2.7. And now that's if price flip continues up, retest this 4-hour resistance here, and then decides to pull back. So I'm looking for higher time frame levels to hold. So first one would be this 4-hour strong level. Then we have a higher time frame support if we manage to get a pullback all the way down. So this would be around this area, 196.9.8. We'll just call it 0.8, but it'll be sort of a 10 pip range. But as long as we stay above this 4-hour, you can see we're still maintaining this uptrend structure anyway. Let's drop down to the 30-minute. Okay, the sell target was 196. The buy target 199. So on the 30-minute, clearly see we've got uptrend structure. We've respected Friday's low down here. Cool, so now we're just looking for more uptrend structure, resistance and support, and then a continuation back up. Got a 7 o'clock candle opening now. So let's mark up, got resistance right here. See if we can get a closure above or a retest. And then we don't have a support till quite low. But we do have a broken resistance. We have a support here. So we do have a bit of a range. Pound yen, what's that, 25 pip? About 25 pip range. I do prefer like a nice pullback of a broken level. Let's see if price can come all the way back down here. And then we have a clean range if we do close below. So let me just mark a resistance above as well in case we get a breakout. So this is our markup for pound yen, this resistance. I'll mark them both. I'd look at both resistances. So 198.35 be the first one. I'm just going to make it 0.3 because the numbers are quite long, and then 198.8, so up here. If we get a closure below this support in the next 30 minutes, then I'll be looking for a retracement of this push, for at least a retest down here. So support, could count this support, To me, it's a bit of a minor support. It doesn't really create much structure, to be honest. It's just a little stopgap. But I would say lower time frame key level. So 197.7 down here. A retest of this broken resistance. That's what I do want to see from pound yen. Let's put where the daily opens. Daily open 19702. So that's my idea for pound yen. Let's see what happens in between this range that we formed right now. So closure below, and we'll retrace some of this push up, and then look for some buys. Morning Caswell, morning. If we get a closure above this resistance, and then we'll push up to the next resistance up here. But pound yen still overall looking quite bullish. That was over there. Alright, let's take a look at gold. So gold finally pushed down. I was waiting for these sells Friday during NY session. We've broken Friday's low, so let's see if we can retest this support. If we break below this support, this daily support, then we're heading back down to like 2600, which is the previous structure point on gold. See, it's the last, apart from this one last week, this is the last higher low. So we could get a retest. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So if we maintain this uptrend structure, like 4 hour doesn't come down and retest. Even if it retests is good, but like I said, if it breaks below this support, we could push down some more. So I'm just gonna move this support down. First higher time frame support 2648. And then resistance, always use sort of the highest resistance, especially the structure point. So it would be around here, 2706. If we can push up, get a retest to continue down. It's got quite a long wick, so I'd look for a higher retest. Down to the 30 minute. Okay, we have a nice 30-minute support formed during Asian session. Let's see if this holds. Will be a nice area to buy back up from. Or if you get a closure below, then we're going to continue down. So 2668. Buy target would actually be this resistance up here. Well, it's not a resistance, it's a broken support. So 2716 or 15. Around that area, looking for a retest and resistance. This area was really holding up on Friday. So definitely looking for like a break and retest again. So it'd be this key level to push up to 2684. And we're going to target 2648 for the sells. And that's gold. Let's get a quick snapshot. Then let's get into some trades. Yeah, I would love to get some pound yen buys, especially since the way it's pushed up during the Asian session and held at this daily support. It's a really nice push up. So I'm just going to wait for this 7 o'clock candle to close. But yeah, definitely leaning more towards the pound yen buys. At the same time, I like when price moves through a clean range. So if we do happen to close below this support, we have a clean range down. Doesn't mean I'm bearish, it could just be a little pullback. But ideally I would like to trade with the trend and in the direction of the higher time frame candles. Just want to see how gold reacts to this support. There's no news today. In fact, it's a USD bank holiday, Veterans Day. They have mad bank holidays. Looks like a nice retest of this support to potentially continue up. If this range was bigger, I'd definitely get into some buys. Once the support is formed on this 7 o'clock candle, I'll take buys up to the top of the range. But I think because it's quite a tight range, I'll have to wait for a breakout. Yeah, 24, 25 pips. Gold pulling back. Put the gold daily in. Got that. $83.71. Oh, cool. Perfect. So yeah, just looking for the closure below 2668 for gold. So I'll just keep an eye on that price. See what pound yen's doing here at this support. The aggressive buys would have been once that support was tapped. Very tight stop loss. Like below these wicks to the left. Got a new 15-minute candle gonna open soon. It's too cold too early to call like a closure below. We still have 15 minutes left. I don't mind counter trend trades. I just don't hold them for too long. Quick in and out. Well, pound yen, the main buy is definitely bullish. Looking out for what price does by these rejection wicks. Because we've had a few rejections down here before. So I wouldn't rush into any buys at this support unless I get better confirmations. We've got a 15-minute candle, but it closed right on this support. And it's broken a previous low as well. So we're waiting. Either gonna hold this support or close below. I'm not gonna rush into anything. did want to keep an eye on Bitcoin, to be fair. Since it's been pushing this weekend. Wow, I nearly got to 82. Alright, that's less than 12 minutes. So GJ retracement, possibly. Like I said, we've got this clean range down. So if we get the closure below, then I probably will be looking for some sells, but it'll be quick sells. I don't really want to hold for too long because I think it will be selling down to create a support to then retest the highs. But that'll be good because then we've created a nice big range to buy back up from the support. If we're going to continue with the bullish bias, and pound yen is very bullish. I don't like that we don't have a bottom wick on this 11 o'clock candle though. But it does look like we might get sells. Well, we'll see. We've still got a long time left for this candle to close, so we'll see. Could clear these wicks, which it has, so potential sells. I don't want it to sell too far down though. Last Friday we caught these sells, pound yen. Was aiming for 197, but it just took all day. All day. Yeah, I wasn't trying to hold for that long. There would have been no entry on these pound yen sells, because even on the 15 it still closed at the support. If it closed below, then potentially, and then like an impulse entry, but I'm not a fan of those. But damn, GJ, gotta leave us with some range. I have much left down to this broken resistance. 27 pips. I want to see this and pound yen all the way up. But damn, look at that drop. And if it closes back below this resistance, then yeah, we could sell right back down to the support. Make a bottom wick for this 11 o'clock candle. Daily flip bearish. and then drive down to 196. You're seeing a short-term sell before bullish outpour. Yeah, I was looking for the sells if you got a closure below, but I'm kind of pushed far down now, so I might have missed my sell entry. But I would definitely have liked it to retrace some of this push and then get in once the support is formed and then go back up. That would have been the long-term idea. But it looks like pound yen wants to fall without us. Did you catch these sells? $20 pip drop. Let's see if you can get a support to push back up. But we needed some structure on pound yen anyway. Just kind of been straight up since it opened. This little minor support, easily broken. Well, as per the daily analysis, I was looking for a retest of like this 197.768 area. Like a break and retest. Broken resistance. Create another support down here. Push up. See how this candle closes in 5 minutes. Gold just ranging. See if it creates a resistance here. Retrace some of this drop. I think pound yen is going to be the more immediate move. It has been recently and way more reliable. Oh, let's see. Bitcoin's just pushing. Crazy. Big day Sunday. And election day. Or day after. Waiting for support or a retest. See if we can continue bullish on pound yen. It's a nice strong candle to retrace. A 4-hour support down here. Less than 2 minutes. Still wouldn't get a trade just yet. In fact, when there's a closure below and it's been like the breakout has been this long, I usually like a retest of the broken level. So maybe a pullback to this broken support and then continue the sell down. But that's if we were very bearish. I wouldn't like to take like a breakout after this candle that's closed below because it's so far. What's left? 25 pips. Nah, not really feeling it. 42 pips. Nah. Let's see if the next candle creates a top wick, breaks the low, continues down a bit more, or if it starts to push back up and form that support. Okay, we're gonna fill this wick, break the low, continue down. And then still wants to retrace. So we broke the previous low. Don't have much of a top wick. Not yet. Like I said, I wouldn't take this trade as a closure below because of how far it's pushed and there's really not much left in it to the next key level. Although I don't mind the one-to-one trades. I'll be back in 2 minutes and get some water. Alright. Pound yen still in the same place. I think we're going to get the move around 8 o'clock. I do want the support to form down here because then the support will move like to here, and then we've got a nice range to buy back up to the resistance. But this candle would need to flip bullish and close bullish. And nothing going on with gold as per usual during London. Maybe I have to wait till London open. To catch something. You got BTC. Yeah, I do have Bitcoin. I've had Bitcoin for years. I've got all my family to buy Bitcoin as well. I just buy a little bit. Just, you know, you've got some spare money, just buy some Bitcoin and hold. Don't touch it. They're excited now. Okay, perfect. Pound yen. Push up. Let's give us this support. Although we still have 20 minutes till this candle closes. Still got a while before this candle closes. So there's two things that could happen here. Create a nice support. Push back up to the resistance, continue bullish with the bias, or we could push up, get a retest of this broken support, and then continue the pullback before we get buys up from lower down. Because this could just be a top wick. We have already broken the previous, or the 7 o'clock candle's low. So this could just be a nice top wick that is creating. Quite a while left for this candle to close. Monday morning fake out. Yeah, I usually used to start quite slow on Mondays, you know, start of the week. Didn't want to rush into any trades. Definitely don't want to start the week with a loss. But losses are part of the game. As long as the loss is small, or managed within my risk, then it's all good. A nice little retracement of this push anyway, this pullback. Let me put in this gold resistance because it did create one here, didn't it? So now I'm looking for a closure above 2673 on gold. And we have this nice range, 100 pips. If we can get that closure above, I do not want an alert. So I'm gonna keep an eye on the price. So this next 15-minute candle forms as well. I really don't want pound yen to push right back up in this range. But to be fair, if it creates a nice big 30-minute support, then taking buys on the 8 o'clock candle, we can anticipate that it will break above this resistance and keep going anyway, like with volume. So yeah, we don't have a support there until the candle closes, and that's the 30-minute candle. See if GJ will bless us today. We've got some nice trades on GJ recently. See why I don't take these closure belows? When you have these big breakouts, you either get a retest of that broken level or potentially a fake out. Like you said, Benny, Monday morning fake outs. So new 15-minute candle opens. Back up to this rejection area that we had marked out earlier. And that could have been the break and retest. 15-minute kind of pushed up. Didn't quite get to the support, but yeah, it kind of looks like it might have been. Okay, nice big support formed on a 15-minute. We're gonna push back above. This one's a bit annoying. Alright, we've got a retest of that support. Little H1 micros bullish on GJ. Oh, you think it's going to flip all the way back up? It could do. It could do. If we come back up into this range, back above the support, we definitely have a fake out. And look for some buys at 8 o'clock and push up. That's what I'd be looking for anyway. But I want to see how price reacts to this support first, this broken support. It'll be a nice big rejection on the 1 hour. Very good look for the buyers. About 10 minutes till the candle closes. Can we get that fake out? So we've pushed up to the support, but we haven't pushed above it, not properly. There we go. I would have liked a bigger range though, up to the resistance. When I was nearly flipping bullish. Where did the candle open? 198.14.6. Right back up in the range. How far is it going to push up? I would love for it to close. Like if this 30-minute closes above 198.10, then I'm looking at buys on the next candle. Definitely. Then we have that Monday morning fake out. That's what gold's doing. Approaching this support again. We've made higher lows, higher highs. Come on, pound yen. Push too far up. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna get in these buys regardless. Yeah, the pound yen buys, even though it's close to the resistance, I'm anticipating with volume that it will break above the resistance and keep pushing up. Four-hour would flip bullish, re-break the high. Yeah, pound yen is so bullish right now. Let's see if this 1 hour closes bullish too. Less than 4 minutes. All right, pushing. Alright, start preparing for some GJ buys. Close back up in this range. Looks like we might close with a bullish engulfing, which is a very good bullish candlestick pattern. Only thing is the stop loss. Can't use the previous candle low because I think that stop loss would be massive. So yeah, look, 36. If we take a break at the high, it's a bit too big. So I'm gonna wait and see how the 8 o'clock candle opens. If we get a nice bottom wick and then it flips bullish, then I'll take a break at the high to continue up. Yeah, but I need a nice bottom wick first. Alright, close back above the support. Just gonna wait for a bottom wick. Hopefully it gives us more than just this little one. This is good. I think I'm going to put a buy stop at the break of this high. Yeah, because we've created resistance, now created a nice support. Got a nice bottom wick to use as a stop loss. If we can break the previous candle high, we'll be in some buys. So we've got a new range, and with volume we should push up out of the range. But I would most likely, the resistance is about 15 pips, 14 pips away. So I'll probably look to manage my risk there, just in case it holds. And I'm in. loss below, 12 pip stop loss. Pushing up nicely. New 1 hour candle. Broken the high. It's very simple trading. Where are we at? So a little 13 pip stop loss. Go back to our entry. Right, I'm back. Had to go talk to the bin men downstairs. You see them on my Ring camera, just throwing our bins about, blocking my driveway with other people's bins. Fucking hell. Yes, if the 4-hour flip's bullish, pound yen is gone. Like I said, it's already broken. It already broke the last 4-hour high, so should re-break and continue up. Alright, where we at? My 15-minute candles are trending up nicely. There's not really much I can do in terms of managing risk, because what I would normally do is I'd either close 50% if price came back to like the candle opening, or if it broke its own low. But because we're using the entry candle low, we're quite close to where it opened, so just gonna have to let it run. It's not a big stop loss anyway, 13 pips. It's just a waiting game now, as always. Panyan's the type of pair that will just give a crazy push in like the last 10 minutes of the 30-minute candle. This 1 hour has given us a nice structure. Four hour, it's looking good. Once it flips 198.30, we're bullish on the 4 hour. Go on. Give us a push. Perfect. 4 hours bullish. I'm going to close partials at this resistance. Move my stop loss to break even. But I do anticipate with volume we'll just keep pushing up. $12 pips up. Beautiful. Right, I'm closing partials here. Stop loss at break even. Nice win. Hey, morning, Rosie. Very easy, very simple. Just wait for the support. Retested the highs. Stayed with our bullish bias. Like all the high time frames are with us now. The daily's very bullish. 4 hours bullish. You know? Keep it simple. Secured some. Great start to the Monday. Now if I want to add more positions later, I'll be looking for a closure above this resistance, because we still have all of this range to push up to. I wouldn't really, this is a resistance, but it's very minor. It's small. A little pullback, but we've locked in some of our profits. Oh. Might get the gold closure below in the next 8 minutes, and keep an eye on that. Very good trade, guys. Very good trade. Looks like this support might still be holding on gold. Minute tap the resistance, pulled back. Oh, it looks like we might hit break even on the runner. I don't put my break even right at the entry, I always put it 1 pip above. That's for commission. Still in. It was like 1.5 pips away from my break even. I would like a nice closure, at least close to this resistance. What I don't want is 30-minute to close too far below, and then the next one respect the resistance and push down, create a lower high. Like a lower high going across. But we'll see. Secured some pips anyway. Go on, keep pushing. Jen, what are we doing up here? What are we doing at this resistance right here? Ten seconds. Goldie holding this support. Since you left the runner, when are you planning on placing more buys? I was looking at more buys if this 8:30 candle closed above the resistance, but looks like it's holding at this resistance, so potentially maybe 9 o'clock if we get a closure above. I want to break out of this range now. That's what I would be looking for. But this resistance is sort of held. We've got these rejection wicks to the left. And if we got the closure above, then this would have been the perfect entry. Break of this high, continue going up. But we didn't get the closure above. So I need that candle as a confirmation. Gold, got sort of a continuation pattern on gold. No closure below yet. I'm just gonna let the runner do his thing for now. When I have a runner, I usually like to trail the stop loss, but there's not really much room for it to go. Could just be at 8:30 bottom wick, or it could be resistance holding and respecting these wicks. Alright, I'm gonna add this trade to the win rate. We're at 50% on stream. Oh, I hit break even. It looks like, did it shut me? Yeah, it closed me out. I finally get this gold drop. But nice pound yen trades. Good luck if you're still in. No, is there a top wick on this 8:30 candle? There is, but it's tiny. Very small. Yeah, so next trade on pound yen would be a closure above this resistance. If I wanted to take another entry, obviously the bias is bullish, so I'll be looking for buyers all day. See if we can catch some gold before I go. I don't even know how many pound yen wins we've had in a row now. I think it's about four or five in a row. Might even be more than that. Gold holding up. And then pushing up again. So it was just the bottom wick. Break the high, keep going. Oh, pound yen's really pushing. We're going to get this closure above for a second entry. What's everyone's thoughts on pound yen? Anyone take the break of this high? Should have taken some Bitcoin buys. Nice support. Nice bullish structure. Nah, I'm not about to trade Bitcoin on stream. Okay, we're getting 15 close above the 15 resistance. 15 minutes, not my time frame, but still have a look. Finally gonna break this, resist this wick to the left, keep going. Got a nice push up. Alright, gold finally made the top wick for this 8:30 candle. Pound yen broke the high, or the wick to the left. Yeah, I don't think there's anything on gold until we get out of this range. But we are creating higher lows on the 30-minute. It's just this wicking down a lot. Might get the closure above. Pound yen. Coming up to a 4-hour broken support. And pound yen. Alright, 10 minutes till this candle closes. Just looking at this area to the left. Kind of like a break and retest. Big break. Yeah, still got this bullish bias. Don't really like getting into trades after 9 o'clock, to be honest, because the volume kind of dies down. 9:30 up until about 11:30 UK time. The market opens at the best times for volume, in my opinion. And based on like my past trades when I've entered, it's always been around those times, between like 7:30, 8:30. Those candles give me the best entries for 30 minutes. Gold just jerking about. I thought we'd see more movement in gold just because US bank holiday. But I guess Asian session had all the moves, had all the volume. We may still get some moves on gold during NY. It's not a major holiday, I don't believe. I'll ask my US friends if they get the day off. And yeah, bit of a drop. Pound yen still dropping below this resistance. Might not get that closure above. Although it's kind of too early to say with 6 minutes left. But oof. I was just watching the numbers and they were dropping quickly. As long as we like close above this support, if we stay above this support here, I think pound yen will stay bullish. Because structure wise, this is like the most recent high low. But yeah, there's a mad bit of volume just coming to the candle there. Gold dropping too. Closure below, closure below. What are we doing here, pound yen? That was kind of a big swing from 44 down to like 20. I was hoping we'd get the closure above by 9 o'clock, but it doesn't look like we will. Or at least a closure below on gold, so we can get another entry before I leave. I'm not going to take no trades at 9:30. Yeah, pound yen ain't it. Alright, pound yen, we're gonna get that closure above. Yeah, I think I might wait till later anyway, to be honest with you, for anything on pound yen. Wait till NY, some more volume. Not feeling this closure right at the resistance. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here, guys. But the plan is definitely still buys. If we can get a closure, well, above this kind of area, to be honest. Well, we've got a lot of wick rejections here. Daily still very bullish. 4 hours just about bullish. But yeah, gold still messing about in this range. Not sure how much it's going to move now or for the rest of this London session, especially since US bank holiday. But we'll see when that market opens. But yeah, W trade today. Another pound yen win. Probably got more than 14 pips if you held longer than I did. But yeah, same time tomorrow. Peace out.